the honor to be here today with Rabbi Yosef Mizrachי. Rabbi, what is your advice to a person going through a difficult time?
Do you know a person that doesn't go through a difficult time? Everyone has difficult time. Also, the word difficult, it's different definitions of difficult. A rich man that has $20 billion lost $50 million. It's difficult time, which I wish you to have the same difficult time, right? So for us, we laugh about it. Also, someone that has a wife has difficult time. Sometimes he doesn't get a wife, has difficult time. Someone who has money has difficult time. Someone who wants to have money has difficult time. Basically, everyone has difficulties. And the reason for it is because the way Hashem designed the world is a place of a test. And in a test, it's difficult. If it's not difficult, you don't deserve a reward. So the harder it gets, the more reward you earn. Suffering is to someone Hashem loves. Just like a father that is strict with his son and he's watching what he does and follow and make sure that he doesn't go off the path, that's out of love, not because he wants to torture that boy. So if you see the father neglect the kid and doesn't care about what he does, you know he gave up on him. As long as he's strict with him, as long as the kid feel the presence of his strict father around, that means the father still care about him. People translate it in the opposite way. So when life is a picnic, that's not a good sign. And to prove it to you, I will tell you the last 3 verses of Parashat Vayetchanan. It says over there, I am the zealous God, stick to his word, pay my lovers that keep my mitzvot for 1,000 generations, and pay the wicked cash to their face to get rid of them. I will not delay the reward to the wicked. I will pay them to their face to get rid of them. Rashi over the writes, pay them for the good deeds that they did in this world to get rid of them in the next world, meaning they have no entry to the life of eternity. Why did he pay them in this world? Because they had some good deeds that they did. He paid them with all kinds of toys and wealth and all kinds of things that they dreamed about, and then he owes them nothing. But the righteous people, everything is waiting for them for life of eternity. So for the few sins that they commit here and there, the righteous people, they have to pay for them in this world, and that's why they have difficulties with parnasah, the family, the place of work, with learning Torah, with all kinds of things that righteous people suffer some sicknesses. That's actually a good sign and not a bad sign like people think.